Hello, happy Friday, everyone. This is Tanya Long, founder of Glamour Academy, where your success is our priority. Guys, how would you like an extra incomes in your lifetime? So I want to introduce you this one special guest today that coming in, and that's Pinky. Good morning to you.
Hi, how are you doing?
I am well, thank you.
Thanks for having me. Yeah.
Good. I understand that we're going to have a hair extension course going on.
Yeah, so it's coming, they opened us back up, and Tanya and I were super excited because all we get asked all the time is,
Right.
Pinky, how do you make so much money doing hair? And honestly, it's hair extensions. That's about 90% of my business. So now I get to come here to Glamour Academy and bring you guys this amazing 2-day course.
Yeah.
You guys are going to be learning your eye-tip installations as well as the tape. We're going to also be teaching all the different removal of the extensions. And you're going to also learn your business and marketing tools too.
Wow, that's exciting.
Yeah.
I can't wait. I know I took my extension course like 10 years ago, and it's not even measured up to you a bit. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And who can take these classes?
So that's the nice thing about hair extensions is we do want people that are in the industry, but if you're maybe a lash technician or you're a makeup artist or something like that, and you want to offer a new service to everything that you do, you guys can actually take this extension course, which is absolutely amazing because the money you guys can actually make by just doing it strand by strand is absolutely amazing. So with learning the tape and learning the eye tip, it is very nice because you can kind of do it anywhere at your own pace. And most of your clients that you probably have already are going to want to get it done. So it's maximizing your service dollars all in the same client, which I find to be absolutely amazing.
I love it. I love it. So from just listening to you, now, do they have to be a cosmetologist or, to do all these things, or anybody can take them too?
Anybody can take the class. There's no state regulation on saying that you have to have specific licenses in order to do extensions, okay? Because you're just putting the hair in, okay? You're not chemically altering that hair in any way. So that's what we teach you guys in the class. We do a hands-on, or we can do a live Zoom class, and it's 2 days. And in that 2 days, you guys will learn a lot. I'm talking color placement, how to match the client, how to do the consultation, how many pieces that they're going to need, what lengths do they want. I mean, there's so many different things that you guys can do with hair extensions that it's really endless possibilities. Because nowadays, if you guys kind of think about it, especially with all these things going on, a lot of women don't want to color their hair every few weeks. So this is a great way to actually add on services to your client. Highlights, lowlights, maybe a little bit of pink, you never know. So, it's really fun and it's really exciting for people that are just getting into the industry. It's not that difficult to where a lot of people that have never done hair before can't catch on.
I see.
So we take everybody from newbies to people that have been in the industry for 20 years, even salon owners that have maybe never had their license before that want to do some sort of service in the salon. So that's where we kind of do it in the class. We figure out what kind of extension stylist are you going to be, and then that's how we help you market and grow your business.
Wow, that's amazing. That's a lot in the class.
It's a lot of information in 2 days.
Right, right. So for me, maybe like a mom working at home, have to watch my kids, this would be perfect. Right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Because a lot of the times too, don't always think about it being a full hairdresser, short to long, doing color all the time. Some women just want a little bit of volume or maybe just a few highlights and things like that. So like pretty much you can offer this service to anybody in your neighborhood. I mean, every mom to even grandmas, I mean, you would be surprised the amount of clientele that I have with extensions because the extensions that I teach are all real hair. hair, all natural hair. All of it's 100% reusable. So that does keep the client coming back over and over and over again, making you maximize your service dollars all in one client. So it's kind of nice because we like to say, if you're a lash technician, for instance, okay, your big thing is in hair. You're not going to want to go to cosmetology school, learn color, cut, all this stuff, right? But because you guys already know how to do the application with lashes and things like that, the hair extensions is almost like an add-on to that. So it's really, really awesome once you guys start getting into that, because now you have a lash client, you have an extension client, you're doubling the amount of money that you're making and all in one client. So that is really nice.
Yeah. I am glad you bring up the lash extensions, because you can use your lash extension clientele and then kind of move them into
doing hair extensions.
Right? In that revenue wise, can you explain that how much more can they bring in? Like, how much can they charge and how much they can do a touch up and all that?
It's all going to depend pretty much on the client. You guys will learn all of that in the class because there is so many different brands of extensions out there. There's so many different types of extensions out there. That's where it's going to differentiate on what you charge your client. Okay. So I usually go in with my client and asking them the consultation question is, how much money do you have to spend on this service and how often would you be able to come? That's going to kind of help me eliminate and figure out what my client is going to be needing or wanting. So, really on average, a client can spend anywhere from $300 to $1,000 on hair extensions. Okay. Now, the longevity of the extension is how long that's going to last. So when we go into the class, that's where I'm going to kind of go in a little bit more depth on the qualities of the hair, the differences of the companies and things like that. So you, as the technician and going to be the certified extension stylist, will be able to know how to quote this out. Not everybody has $1,000 for hair. Some of them only have $200, and that's okay because we can do it anywhere, like I said, from $100 to $1,000. But the nice thing for you as the technician is that that's a guarantee that client's going to come back that every 4 to 6 weeks. Okay. They're not going to invest in something and then not come back. So even just say you charge, say $100 on that service. Okay. They came back every 4 weeks, which would be once a month. And there's 12 months in a year. You'll end up making $1,200 on one client alone, just in their maintenance.
Wow.
So
I love it.
That's a huge markup. You get 20 clients, that's an extra $20,000 that you'll be making in maintenance alone. And that's no cost to you as a technician. Okay.
Right.
They've bought the hair, they invested in it. All you're doing is you're servicing what they bought. Right. So for you, it's just revenue after revenue after revenue. And it should only take you about 2 hours to do a full head and about 45 minutes to an hour to do an adjustment. Okay.
Wow, guys, you know what? I don't know about you, but for me, going in here with very cost effective, I don't have to put out any revenues, any money up front to purchase because the client's taking care of it. I love this. I'm not sure about you. This is an extra revenue. So if you are thinking about, getting that extra revenue coming in, add on to your lashes, God, I cannot wait. So the next question is, how can they sign up?
So they can sign up here at Glamour Academy. You can go ahead and call the office and call the 1-800 number, or go ahead and send us an email, or even just DM us on our social media. Even if you want to just contact me, I can give you guys the link. I'm at Hello Pinky Hair is my Instagram. You guys can always hit me up there. And once you guys sign up, what's nice is it's only a $500 investment.
Oh my God. Yeah.
So that is like a steal deal. Okay. Because you guys are getting the tools, the knowledge, and the business that you guys need to create a whole new service to what you guys are already doing, all for $500. I mean, a lot of other extension classes are very, very expensive and or they're only online. So you're not getting everything, So this is a great price and a great class that you're going to learn everything that you need to know. And you guys are just going to be able to sign up just like that, just that easy.
Yeah. And the best thing is that you're the one who's going to educate this class.
That I am. So
Right?
we have very
ask for better than
limited.
this.
Yeah, we have very limited seating.
Mm-hmm.
But if you guys do start signing up, because of everything going on right now, I do have a little bit extra time that I get to actually teach you guys hands-on myself. So if you guys start signing up, we get too many signups, we can maybe open up some more classes for you guys. So right now we have our class is scheduled March 28th and 29th. And we are going to have future dates, probably one in April. But as of now, those are the only two classes that we're offering. So, and at this price.
Yeah.
So I always say it's good to jump on now. Okay, all it's going to take is just a deposit to sign up.
Right.
And then once you guys sign up, you guys will learn everything. You guys will be certified in hair extensions and you guys receive the kit.
Yeah, that's exactly. You know, she said it so well. It's a whole total package deal that you cannot get it elsewhere, but here, because our educator actually is going to be Pinky. She's going to actually coordinate all these courses for you and at our academy. So while you're in here with me, go ahead and follow this Facebook Live right now. Follow us, give us a thumb up, a heart, or a comment. Because, you know, you guys are all over the country. You're not just in California where we are. So we wanted to know what you want to know. And this course is actually on location and on Zoom as well. Right?
Yeah.
And you can't have any better than that having Zoom because with our team back here, we are actually coming really up close to what you're doing and give you a real deal of what's going on in the class.
Yeah, so that's what's going to be really awesome if you guys do take the online portion is that you guys will get it almost like you're live here in the classroom with us.
Right.
As in a lot of other classes that you tend to get online, you just kind of watch a video and then just kind of do it. This is great because you're still going to get that personal interaction with us and that same interaction with the other students in the class. And we're all going to be safe and social distance. So, you know, it's a win-win situation all around.
Exactly. Okay, guys, that is a special for today. So if you need to sign up, go ahead and direct message us right now, or you can give us a call at 951-800-8007, myself, or you can directly contact Hello Pinky Hair at her Instagram. Oh my God, it's an amazing offer for you that would be on March 28, 29 from 9 to 5, 2 days. You get everything from theory to a complete kit, as well as the business marketing whole package.
Yep. And then you'll be a master after that.
Guys, thank you so much for following us. And make sure check us on our YouTube and subscribe, follow to get the latest video. This is Tanya Luong with Pinky from Glamour Academy, where your success is our priority. Thank you so much, guys. We're going to come back to you on Monday live. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Ciao.